Hi students, in the last video we discussed about the key features of quick commerce. In this video we will learn what are the key differences between e-commerce and quick commerce. Let's get started. Let's talk about delivery time. For e-commerce, delivery time typically ranges between 1 day to few days, whereas for quick commerce it is typically between few minutes to few hours. This happens because delivery for e-commerce happens from a warehouse which is located far away from city center. Whereas for quick commerce, delivery happens from a store which typically ranges from 3 km to 4 km from your house. When you talk about product range, large variety of products are available in e-commerce. And this is also because storage happens in large warehouses. Whereas quick commerce are primarily focused on daily essentials. And since the size of dark stores is less, it is possible to keep limited SKUs. And before moving ahead, I would like to spend some time in explaining what does an SKU mean and what is a dark store. An SKU means stock keeping unit. I will take an example to explain this. Suppose there is product called green lace. Now green lace can come in rupees 5, 10, 20 and 50. Item will remain the same, green lace, but SKUs will be different. One SKU will be 5 rupee green lace. Second SKU will be 10 rupee green lace. Third SKU will be 20 rupee green lace and henceforth. Now let us understand why do we call stores of quick commerce as dark stores? Because dark stores are retail spaces that are not open to the public, but they are used for online ordering. Hence, these stores are like traditional stores but are designed specifically for e-commerce operations. And when we see fulfillment center, and as we discussed that large fulfillment centers or warehouses are used in e-commerce to handle large volumes and complex logistics, whereas small stores of less than 5,000 square feet are used in quick commerce to do the rapid order fulfillment. When you see the order size, large order size is there in e-commerce due to the availability of large assortment or large variety. Whereas in quick commerce, since the store size is less and quick commerce is more dependent on the daily essentials, order size is less in quick commerce. When you talk about shopping experience, since the ticket size of a purchase from e-commerce company or app is high, extensive browsing takes place. You browse through many listings to select the perfect item for yourself. You also go through the detailed reviews, descriptions, and images of the product. Whereas in quick commerce, it is primarily focused on major details because you need to do instant purchase of essential items. When we talk about marketing strategy, for e-commerce, it is primarily focused on email marketing, like the promotional mails that you get over your email. Whereas for quick commerce, it is more focused on discounts and app notifications. Hence, what were the key takeaways of this video? We learned the key differences between e-commerce and quick commerce companies. In the next video, we'll see the top trends in quick commerce. Thank you.